Hello there. Back again with another video. We are going to Bird Pizza today. Something special about Bird Pizza. Black owned business. February happens to be Black History Month. Adam Eats, North Carolina, likes to support both of those things. Get in the car, kids. We're going to Bird Pizza. What is going on, people? It is Adam Eats back again with another YouTube video for you. So, Bird Pizza is located really close to this food hall called Optimus Hall. I've yet to go there. I've heard some pretty cool stuff about this place. I've yet to go and check it out. I'm sure I will one day. But man, oh man, like to go one-on-one with that big food hall with food competition, like that's some pretty big guts, I think. And the pizza game is definitely open for grabs. I feel like there's Geno's. I'm going to try a Maggio's later on. I still have my love for Duamici, even though things have kind of fallen through. But I've heard more and more about Bird Pizza. I wanted to wait till February to do the review and honor a Black History Month because the owners are Black. And I think that's cool. And I don't care who's making my pizza as long as it looks like this. Let's take a look. All right, so I don't know. It was funny because when I was carrying the pizza in, I was like, man, this feels like this pizza box is like different. Trust me, I've held a lot of pizza boxes. And, it's cool. It's just a normal, like, brown box. It's got their logo on it, the bird, the little stamp. But then when you open it up, whoa, that's pretty funny. I don't care about that. I just thought it was kind of funny. They turned it inside out. It looks like it'd be from any pizza place in the world. They turn it inside out. Boom, bird stamp. Love it. This pizza looks good. Little flop. Good undercarriage. Good undercarriage. I love the little bit of basil. Not too much basil. It is really good. Mm. You know, a lot of people say, "Oh, it's burnt." Mm-mm. There's flavor, and holy smokes, that is really good pizza. And they were in that same tournament with Gino D's, and they went far in it. The bird pizza did, and I can see why. First of all, the very first thing I could tell you about this pizza is the ingredients in it are fresh. There is not a doubt in my mind that this is all fresh ingredients. Um, it tastes clean. I know that might sound weird, a clean pizza, but I mean, take a bite of this and take a bite of CC's pizza, and you tell me which one is the clean one. All right. So, bird pizza. Let me give it the Dave score. 7.9. 7.9. So far, second best pizza place in Charlotte, next to Gino D's. So the cool part about Bird Pizza is just the atmosphere. You know, you pull up to it, there's not a whole lot going on, but that's what makes it kind of special. There's no inside, there's barely an outside. There's like a little patio for some outdoor eating. I'm gonna tell you right now, if my girlfriend was with me, boom, date spot. The weather was really nice tonight, and the sun was just perfect. They had these lights going on. Some Camila George, I believe, they were playing this jazz. I think it was Camila George they were playing. It was just the vibe was cool. It was fun. It was hip. It was, I need to be at this place hanging out with my friends, my girlfriend, having pizza and drinking wine or something. I mean, I don't know. I want to give a huge shout out to my new friend Corell. Corell is running the show down at Bird Pizza. I tried to message him a few days prior to me coming down there to see if I could set up an interview. I didn't get a response, so that's no big deal. It's him and I believe his wife or somebody. That's it, running the show. They, seemed kind of busy, but man, the guy was super cool. He took a lot of time to just talk to me, and I told him about my YouTube channel, and he gave me permission to take pictures and all that good stuff. So thank you very much for that. Maybe we can do an interview next time, because I'll probably come back to this place, man. Bird Pizza in Charlotte. Check it out. All right, guys. I'm very happy. Thank you to the staff over at Bird Pizza for letting me come out. Happy February. Happy Black History Month. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy birthday to my girlfriend. And like, share, subscribe.